Bollywood parties are no less than masala pot boilers. They have their fair share of romance, comedy, and nasty catfights to boot. And one such high profile party that happened over the weekend was no less. The highlight was Sonam and Deepika giving a cold shoulder to each other. The hotties have a history that is not full of smiles and selfies, and that came through in this well attended bash. Spotboy.com has exclusive dope that the two just refused to acknowledge each other's presence at the do. In fact, when at one point the host held Deepika by the hand and called out to Sonam, the lady coolly walked away, refusing to pay any heed whatsoever. Wondering what's the bone of contention between the two hotties? For starters, one too many. To begin with, it's Ranbir Kapoor. There were reports that debutants Sonam and Ranbir were dating each other while working on Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Savarya. And we all know that soon after Ranbir fell head over heels for Deepika, who incidentally also made her debut at the same time with Om Shanti Om. And as luck would have it, Deepika is now dating Sonam's distant cousin Ranveer Singh. In fact, more recently, when Sonam was reveling in the afterglow of Neerja, the actress was asked about Deepika Padukone, who has taken the global stage by storm. To which Sonam had replied, "I would like to take my projects to the West. I do not want to be the hot Indian girl there. I have worked very hard not to be this exotic Indian girl in India. I have worked very hard to the point where I could get to do a film like Neerja and be taken seriously." Ouch, that hurt Sonam Kapoor. वैसे Bollywood की top divas have always been at war, but Sonam, you do have your own share of following, and so does Deepika. And fans would love to see you two come together. In fact, why shouldn't you just have a party selfie with each other?